Hello everybody. We done this job I think it's about 4.5 years ago. We put down this decking and put down that Indian sandstone and the raised beds and the fencing along that side. I've just come back today. It's just time to put some decking oil on the decking, so I've done that. Decking's still looking good. All in sandstone. We'll just put a light jet wash over it and just put some sealant on it just to stop it getting dirty again so fast. But there we go, there's the pergola we built.